Hey, today I'm at Cascade Shores, guys. This is the private section and private little boat launch over here for this lovely development. If you guys aren't familiar with Cascade Shores, it is just a few minutes from downtown historic Nevada City. It's a beautiful lake. It's got very busy today, so if you guys haven't seen it or even not know about this little community, make sure you come up and see Cascade Shores. Take care. Hey, it's Eric. Where I'm at today, I'm in Cascade Shores up here next to Scott's Flat Reservoir, where I can hear the boats. You're that close. You guys are gonna love this home. It's sitting on this picturesque, very private, no neighbors on both sides. They are a little bit tucked up there through the trees, which is great. So it gives you this nice sense of privacy. You're just a minute away from the store, about 5-minute, maybe 4-minute drive down into the lake. So guys, let's go check it out because you won't be disappointed. You're gonna love what they did inside. I love as you come into the front room here, you've got this nice little sitting area here for shoes, and it opens into this open space with real hardwood floors and this really neat fireplace over here, oversized gas fireplace with a rock mantle. Then it goes out the back side there, and you've got the nice side windows here, which are pretty cool because you can see all sorts of the trees and things there too. So as you come on in here, come down the hall, you got some multiple mini split air conditioner heater system, which is great, but look at this amazing kitchen. This amazing kitchen that has so much to offer, this huge, big island, microwave, mini split, little area there to eat, holds several guests, and then you walk right in here to the primary bedroom and bathroom. But what's really spectacular about this bedroom, guys, is this. Boom. Just comes right out to peace and relaxation. Hey, welcome out here to the backyard, which you'll absolutely love again, that you've got these towering pines, super peaceful. You've got the homes, the two neighbors are pushed away from you. You've got some fenced area here too. There's an amazing deck here to entertain. Very personal, very private. A cute little shop shed down there for you. And look at this backyard, fenced. Little park setting. It's wonderful. So if you guys would like to see this home or any others, feel free to reach out and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you at the next one. Take care.